Hey guys, welcome to ARTISTA. Today we're gonna see how to make ombre pencils. Let's get started. First things first, you need a base to work on. For that, paint your pencil with white acrylic paint. Once you're done, keep the white paint aside for now and choose the color you want for your pencil. I'm going to be using this really pretty purple shade today, but you can choose your favorite color. Let's start painting. The first thing that you're going to do is take the color you chose and paint the bottom of the pencil. Make sure to color without leaving any blank white spaces. The next thing you want to do is mix some white paint with that color to make it just a little bit lighter and blend it with the first layer. You might want to paint this layer a little more than the previous one because you have to blend the colors out. If you want, you can go back in with a darker shade to make sure the gradient is continuous. The goal is to get a smooth gradient. Continue painting by adding white paint to your current shade and blending it with the previous layer. When you complete the painting, your last shade should be really close to white. And yes, I did end up getting paint on my hands, but you could wait for one side to dry and then hold that side while you paint. Once you're done, let them dry completely. Then you can sharpen and use these pencils. These pencils would be a great add-on to your regular school supplies. They are simple yet unique. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.